Action.
Yeah, so, okay, just tell me who you are.
Alright, well, my name is Benjamin Pratt and I'm an artist with formal training in painting, drafting, and operating AutoCAD. Painting and making art is very dear to me, so I'm a man of few words, and it definitely gives me the satisfaction of expressing myself. I get esteem from it, I get worth from it. I choose my subjects based on my life, whether it be something that happened when I was a child or something that is currently going on right now. I take pride in not using tape on the face of the painting, because really anyone can paint a straight line if they use tape, or a sharp edge if they use tape. I don't want it to be that easy for myself. I want to push myself to see what my two hands are capable of producing. Every painting I do, it's done in AutoCAD. That is my sketchbook. It makes my life easier. It's a helpful tool that I know how to run, and takes the guesswork out of everything. Much like an architect would be designing a building, I'm doing that in AutoCAD for my paintings, so I know exactly what needs to be on there, what color it needs to be, before even thinking about doing a physical form of the painting. Anything that comes into your life that makes it easier or helps you streamline the process for whatever it is you are making, grab a hold of that and embrace it.